Hey everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time to pick the winner for last Friday's giveaway. Having a little bit of trouble with the lights in here today, so please forgive me. The URL is here, and it's not anything goes. It is keyword, and the word is Friday, our words, Friday giveaway. Allow you to enter more than once and continue. And we have with us 75 comments to win this beautiful set of stamps. This is a fun set of stamps right here, so anybody would like it. Okay, let's pick a winner. Ooh, did it do it? Pick a winner. It's glue time. Congratulations, it's glue time. You have won the Friday giveaway. That's awesome. So you could win a Friday giveaway too. Let me tell you all about it. All right, next Friday's giveaway is going to be this cute stamp set, and I just think it's adorable. Let me see if I can show it to you a little bit better. It has a number of stamps on it. They are all really super cute. Anybody would like these. I just think they are. Anyway, what you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. Enter the words Friday giveaway in the comments below. You can enter every day. You can come back and enter again if you share the video. Also, thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. Check out all the rules and guidelines in the description below. And I have a trivia question for you. All right, the trivia question for today is, in Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer, you can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, what? What is the answer? Does anybody know the answer to that trivia question? Well, it will be posted on the next slide. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Don't forget the words Friday giveaway. Bye.